So if we talk about specific heat capacity, specific heat capacity specific heat capacity that is amount of energy energy required to raise temperature of 1 gram of water. Temperature of unit mass by 1 degree Celsius. Right? Amount of energy required to raise temperature of unit mass by 1 degree Celsius. Right? This is specific heat capacity. So Q is equal directly proportional to M into M, and Q is directly proportional to T. So when we take Q is directly proportional to M and T, so we can say Q is equal to M into C into delta T, where C is specific
Constant.
heat
Specific heat.
capacity, right?
Yes, sir.
And C is equal to Joule per gram, Joule Celsius, right? Per degree Celsius.
Joule per gram.
Yeah,
Per,
you're getting my voice?
yes, sir. Per degree Celsius. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we talk about and heat capacity is mass into specific heat capacity. This is specific heat capacity. So that is kilogram into joule per, if I take it as in grams, so gram degree Celsius. So this gram and gram is cancelled out. You get joule per degree Celsius or joule per Kelvin, right? Now my question was latent heat. So amount of energy required to bring change in state of matter without without changing temperature, right? Matter means it is whole object, right? When unit object, when unit object, when unit mass, when unit mass, then specific latent heat, right? Q is equal to ml, right? So L is equal to Q upon M, where it means joule per gram or joule per kilogram. I hope you understand this much. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Oh, whoa. Can't go beyond that.
Yes,
So,
sir. That's fine.
latent heat. Here is, we can write, this is little bit outside the margins.
Mm-hmm.
So we can say joule per joule per degree Celsius or joule per Kelvin, right? Now it is within margins. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
You get this? Should
Yes,
I
sir.
should I know?
Sir, just a second. I'll write the definition for latent heat
Okay,
and the
do
rest.
it, do it, do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done.
So now you come to question number 6, which sheet I gave you in that numericals, question number 6. Should I rub all this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 6, right? What is that? Find the time taken, time, we have to find time, right? By a heater of 500 watt, right? 500 watt, raise temperature, raise temperature of 50 gram, 50 gram, oh,
Sir, 50 kg.
oh, 50 kg, 50 kg of material with
Specific heat capacity 960 joule per
specific
kilogram per
heat
Kelvin.
capacity is
960 joule per Kelvin per
960 joule per gram per kilogram Kelvin, right? From 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 18 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius, right? So how you will do this? How you will do
So
this? Yeah.
Q is equals to MC del T, and sir, Q is energy.
Yeah. No.
Sir,
You know,
U is MC del T.
Q is equal to W is equal to P into T, right?
Into T, yes, sir.
Q is equal to work done is equal to P into T. So you can write here Q is equal to P into T,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now change the sides. We can write it P into T is equal to Q is equal to M into C into
Del T.
delta T. So P is 500 watt, 500 into T is time, mass is 50 kg, specific heat capacity is 960 kilogram, oh, joule per kilogram degree Kelvin into 38 minus 18 degrees Celsius, 18 degree Kelvin, you can say.
Yes, sir.
You write here degree Celsius and keep it in degree Celsius. There is no problem at all. They will cancel out. This degree Celsius is gone, kilogram and kilogram is gone, right? Joule will be cancelled out with this. So we have, so T is equal to 50 into 960 into 20 upon 500.
60. Yes,
500.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, I do agree. This 0 is cancelled with this 0 is cancelled with this 5 is cancelled with this. So we get how much? T is equal to
1920 seconds.
0. 2 times 6 becomes 12. 1920 seconds, right? So T is equal to 1920 upon 60 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So how
32 minutes.
much it will be?
32 minutes.
3 times 6 becomes 18. 1, 2. 32 minutes. Right? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the question number 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have to find time, right?
Yes, sir.
Temperature of water. Temperature rises from 25 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. It is boiling point. Boiling point. Right? Boiling point. Specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity is 4.2 joule per gram degree Celsius. You get this? I hope you get. Right? Now, what is question? So again, W is equal to Q is equal to P into T. Right? So P into T is equal to M into C into delta T. So that is 1250 into T is equal to 1 kg, means 1000 gram, into specific heat capacity 4.2 into change in temperature 100 minus 25. Right? So T is equal to 1000 into 4.2 into 7 upon 5 upon 1250. Decimal remove, take one more zero here. Right? Now 25, 3 times 25 becomes 75 and 5 times 25 becomes 125. It becomes 500. 2 times 500 becomes 1000. So it is 6 into 4.2. 2 times 6 becomes 12. We get ones, or so 4 times 6 becomes 24. 125. 25.2 seconds. Is this?
सर मेरा 252 सेकेंड्स आ रहा है.
Acha, sorry. It is not 4.2. We have removed this decimal from here. So it will be 252 seconds. We have removed this decimal, na? We have taken already 0 here. So it is 2 times 3 becomes 6 into 42. So we get 252 seconds. Right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to take it in minutes, then you can write 252 divided by 60 minutes.
It will become 4.2.
Minutes. So it becomes 4 minutes
2 seconds.
about 12 seconds.
Oh.
Because remainder is 12. You get this? 252 divided by 60. 4 times 240. You get 12 here. So this is second and this is minutes.
Well, you can write it 4.2 minutes.
4 minutes 12 seconds. Right?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand. Eh.
Yes, sir.
Well, yes, you are saying yes, sir, but what yes, sir, man? 4.2 into 100 minus 25. Right? And this is seconds. Is this done?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh, great. Question number 1. Exercise 11B. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
होएगा नहीं क्या?
Question number 1. Right? Oh, there is ice. Right? 10 gram of ice at 0 degree Celsius. Absorb energy Q is equal to
Sir,
5.
you are doing which question?
This is page number 34, 35, just below page number 34.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So ice at 10 degrees, 10 gram, 0 degree Celsius absorbs 5460 joule heat energy to melt. Right? So this 0 degree ice will convert in how much? Water at 0 degree Celsius. Mass will be 10 gram. Right? And this 0 degree water will convert water at 50 degree Celsius. Right? Right? So here C is given you 4.2 joule per gram per degree Celsius. Right? So you have to find specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity, that is L. There is change in state of matter. So we will write Q is equal to ml, right? And here Q is equal to m into C into delta T, right? Abhi, this is total energy. This is Q1, this is Q2, right? So Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 5460 joule, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So Q is equal to ml plus m into C into delta T, right? You get this? Take this is how much? 5460 is equal to m. We have taken as a common. M is 10 gram.
10
Okay.
gram.
We take 10 gram bracket L plus C is 4.2 joule per gram and change in temperature is
50 degrees Celsius.
50 degrees Celsius. 50, right? So this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. So 546 is equal to L plus how much? This 10 we have taken,
200.
this 0 is cancelled. It is 210. So L is equal to 546 minus 210 becomes how much?
336.
336 joule per gram, right?
Yes.
If we will take it in kilograms, then it becomes 3,36,000 joule per kg, right?
Yes, sir.
But I change the digits because this is in 10 grams, this is in joules. So this specific unit I change in grams. It is 4.2 gram per degree Celsius, joule per degree Celsius, right?
Yes, sir.
You get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do this question number 2?
Okay, sir.
Question number 2. Question number 2. How much heat energy is released? Heat energy released when 5 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius changes into 0 degrees Celsius of ice, right? So it is given you specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 joule per gram per degree Celsius, and latent heat of fusion of specific latent heat of fusion of ice, specific latent heat of fusion of ice is equal to 336 joule per gram. Do you get this?
Yes, sir.
So there is a water, right? Water 5 gram 20 degrees Celsius, right? Converts into water at 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. So Q is equal to M into C into delta T, right? So how much will be 5 into 4.2 into 20? How much you get? 420 joule. Hello.
Yes, sir.
420 joule, right? Now this 0 degree water convert into ice at 0 degrees Celsius, right? So here will be Q is equal to ml, right? So M is 5, mass remains 5 gram into 336 joule per gram. ठीक है? This gram and gram is cancelled out. When you multiply this, how much you get? 6 times 5 becomes 30, 0, 3. 5 times 3 becomes 15, 3, 18. We get 1. 5 times 3, 15, and 1, 16. 1680 joule.
Yes, sir.
Energy absorbed, right? So this is Q1, this is Q2. So total energy absorbed is equal to Q1 plus Q2 is equal to how much? 420 plus 1680 joule. How much it is coming? Can you add this? 0,
Sir, 2100.
0, 1, 2. 2100 joule. Total energy absorbed is
2100 joule.
this is joule and this is total absorbed is what is answer?
Sir, 2100 joule.
2100 joule. This much energy is absorbed, right?
Yes, sir.
So you enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for enjoying for more this much. So we have this revised latent heat and specific latent heat, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub?